Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the XP Pen and installing its driver, because without correct drivers, PowerPoint won't recognize pen input. Once the tablet is powered and mapped to the display, open PowerPoint and enable the Draw tab in Ribbon Options so you can access pen tools. Make sure you set the pen mapping and pressure sensitivity in the XP Pen utility. This optimizes stroke response and prevents lag. After that, test a quick stroke in a blank slide to confirm the system recognizes pressure and tilt. You'll now move into annotation and recording. Select a pen style from the Draw tab, pick color and line weight, and use short strokes for crisp handwriting. When you need to capture ink during delivery, hit Slide Show Record Slide Show so PowerPoint records your ink and timing. Make sure to choose whether to record narrations or just ink, both save to the slide. Once done, practice switching between pen and pointer using the XP Pen button or keyboard shortcut to keep flow during presentations. Finish by saving formats that match your needs. Save as PPTX to keep editable ink, or export as PDF or MP4 to share a static or timed version. If ink doesn't appear, first reboot, then reinstall the XP Pen driver and update PowerPoint. Mismatched drivers often cause recognition issues. Also verify tablet-to-monitor mapping and that the Draw tab is enabled. If problems persist, test the pen in Windows Ink Workspace or another app to isolate whether PowerPoint or the tablet is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.